Hello and welcome back to another A690 Specialist Cars video. My name is Harvey and today on this beautiful sunny day, I'm delighted to present to you our 2014 Ford KUGA Titanium X. It's a great spec and I think we can all agree it's a fantastic looking car coming in a beautiful silver metallic paint, upgraded 19-inch alloys, privacy glass and silver roof rails. And as I'll show you the inside of the car, you do have your full ebony leather interior, which is electrically adjustable and heated, 6-speed manual gearbox, nice big split pan roof, which lets in a lot of light, makes it a lot more spacious, cruise control and limiter on your multifunctional steering wheel, and you've also got a screen in the middle. And as we come to the back, your passengers are protected by the privacy glass, plenty of space for 3 people in the back, comfortably seats them. Very comfortable, very durable, and great condition for the age of the vehicle. As we come to the back, you do have an electric tailgate, so no hassle is needed. You've got your parcel shelf included, plenty of space for your shopping, and underneath you do have an actual spare wheel, which is a rarity these days. You've also got a detachable tow bar on this one too. So what are you doing? Pick up that phone and leave a deposit today, because I know this one won't be hanging around much longer. But once again, my name is Harvey and I'd like to thank you for watching another A690 Specialist Cars video.